Hello. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm
Good
audible.
morning. Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good. I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Okay. So now, guys, let's start on this. So, guys, we were looking into this now. ADB. So, guys, we were looking into all this. So, I think we have already done till here now. Reading and writing data from the JSON, that is multiple JSON files. Okay. So I think these three. Okay. Reading data from multiple multi-line JSON and single multi-line JSON using the user defined and writing data to JSON file format with overwrite mode. Okay. So let us see it here. Guys, are you there, everyone? Yeah. Okay. So now let us start here. So anyways, we'll just begin here. I'll create the process. So click on the create. And now, guys, resource group, we don't have any. So I'm just selecting and creating this resource group. So use ADB. Okay. RG as the resource group. Click OK, guys, everyone. Okay. And then give the workspace name. So I'm using the Durga Soft workspace. So this process already you know it. I need not explain you again and again on this part. Okay. So guys, am I right, everyone? Please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now click on the create. So let us refresh it to make the process a bit faster. And now, guys, just a minute, guys. Let it create. Just a minute. So, okay. Okay, guys. So now it's created. The workspace is ready. So let us launch it now. Just a minute. The system is a bit slow. I think it is a network issue. I think. Okay, so guys, just a minute. I'm just creating the cluster here. Now click on the create. Now use this preview. Now give the name here. So I want to give the name as Durga Soft cluster. I'm creating the cluster and click on the create everyone. So let us just wait. I'm audible, guys.
Yes, sir.
So now let's just wait for the creation of the cluster. Okay, guys. So let's try to create the notebook. Mm, it will keep on waiting for this. So I'm using reading, reading, and reading and writing, reading and writing JSON files. Okay, guys. Now that's it. Just a minute, guys. It's not creating it.
What is the reason it is showing, sir?
Let me check actually. Is it something here regarding to the subscription or what? Just doing that. Just error, exceeded
Json
approved
actually
total.
approve total regional course
Hmm.
quota. Additional details.
Need to increase. Just a minute. Let's do one thing now. I'll try to recreate it. That's better now. I'll select the single node now. As you know, that single node will not have a worker node here. Only driver node will be there. Okay. But program will run as it is. Only when you have huge volume of data, then the single node cluster will be an issue to process the data. Yeah, guys, it's created. So let's create the notebook on this. That's it. Okay. So now I'm giving reading and writing JSON files. Click on the create. Okay, guys. So just a minute. So it will start now. It's running very slow, the system, since today morning. Just a minute. Let me. I have reading and writing. This one is there now. Just a minute. Just a minute. It's hanging up. Just a minute, sir. Okay. So now click edit with ideally. Now you'll get this. Guys, here is the code. You can copy this code as it is. and let us try to put it here, because instead of retyping it out every day, we can upload this way. Okay, everyone, can you see here, guys? But whereas it is given in the single cell. Just a minute. Hmm? First of all, we are creating a directory, as you know. Everyone, are you there, guys?
Yes, sir.
First of all, we are creating a directory, and then after creating reading data from the single JSON file, which we have already done it, and rearranging the column, we have done it. Converting the okay, converting column data type, that is the typecasting, you have done it. Okay, by importing some functions, we have it. Then reading data from the single file using the user defined schema, and then what is it we have done? Um, reading data from single multi-line JSON also we have done it already. Okay, multi-line JSON. So what is the thing left out now? I think these three: reading data from multiple multi-line JSON. This you have already done it now. So let's use these two, the third and the fourth option. Okay, I'm taking a new cell now. I'm opening it. Reading data, all of you, data from reading data from what is that we have it? Uh, multiple multi-line JSON. Copy this. That's it. Okay, guys. Fine, everyone.
Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So now let us see the okay multiple multi-line JSON. Let's go to the file here. Do you have a file? Mm, single line JSON is here. Just a minute. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So this is the file we have it. Let's change the okay, let it be as it is, no problem. Okay, guys, this is the file we have it. There is employees multiple multi-line JSON. Here we have it. So just go here. First of all, upload it to the DBFS. So how to see, when you go to the data here option, you will not find by default the DBFS option. Okay. So to get this DBFS option, see here, you will not find it here. To get this DBFS option active, so we have to click on what's that admin console and click on what is it, guys? Workspace settings, and allow the DBFS settings. And allow the DBFS file browser and refresh it once. Okay, so now go to this recents, sorry, data. And now click on the DBFS. Now, guys, click on this. Just sorry, guys. So now select it here. Just a minute. Click on this tables. And now, guys, upload the file. Uploading the file. Drag and drop. And now, guys, onto the desktop. Are you there, guys?
Yes, sir.
So I'm using employees. Just a minute. Okay. Multi-line, that's it. So open this normally. Cancel this. Click on the done. That's it, guys. Now it's fine now. Now go to this recents. Recents, guys. Now come back. Oh, okay. Now, so guys, reading data from multiple multi-line JSON. And now what is it we have to use? I'm using src underscore path. Guys, path is equal to, so use it here, guys. Okay. We have this thing. Can you see here? And now, guys, why do we do one more thing? This is the one file I have uploaded now. Guys, this is the one file we have uploaded. Employees, I will create one more copy of this. Okay. And now what I will do is I will try to rename it, guys. Multiple multi-line now. So I have two files. We'll upload it. Okay, just a minute. So for that, I'm renaming it, everyone. File 2. Just open this file. Now this time, what I will do is I will change the names here. Here I will give it as a 6 instead of James. Let us give it as Ford. Okay, and come down instead of this as a 7. Robert. instead of 7, 3, let us make it as 9. Tyler. Okay, that's it. The data we have it. Control S, save it. And now, guys, let us try to upload even this one into the DBFS. Go here, data, DBFS. Click on this. Just to browse it. Desktop. Now from select the multi-tool. Guys, here you have it. Now you can copy the path from here also. Okay, guys. So I'm using it. Control C, then done. And now it is uploaded, guys. So now come back here and paste the file path. You have it. Okay. So instead of this,
File
what
name
I
is
can.
not required.
Oh,
File name should not be there, right?
yes, yes. File name should not be there. So what is it I'm using is okay. Anyways, here I can use it as a star. Guys, I can use it as what? Star here. Or I think star. Fine now. No, 3 plus 3. We have to get the that is nothing but 6 records. DF is equal to spark dot read dot format.
We can even say star.json, right?
Yeah, star dot JSON also we can use it. Okay. Then we can use the JSON. For file format is JSON and dot options as it is the same we can use it dot option. And now I can use it here. Now, guys, use multi-line, comma, guys, comma, true. T capital TRUE, then dot load, then use it. What is it? SRC underscore path. That's it, guys. And DF dot or DF is equal to DF dot. Tell me now. Now, guys, use what? Select. Use it EMP, comma, name under the quotes, comma, job, then comma, sal, comma, use department number, DEPTNO. That's it, guys. That's it now. So use df dot show. So just execute this cell now. So guys, how many records are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of you got it? Yes, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Now what we'll do is we'll use the overwrite, writing data to JSON file. JSON file format overwrite mode. That's it. Okay. That's it, guys. We'll take the same data df. Okay, df dot. Tell me now. Write Tell me now. Dot mode. Okay. Can you see here? Df dot write dot mode dot overwrite. Dot format is what is it? You have it JSON. That's it, guys. Dot save. Dot save. Where you want to save this? Guys, I want to save it to the path up to file store tables only. I'm writing it. Copy this. And now what is it I wanted to do? Just put it under this, under the parenthesis. Use it as it is. Guys, now tell me. This is done. And this is also done. Now tell me. The file name. Employees underscore test dot JSON. That's it. I want to create it here. Okay. Execute it, guys. Is the file created? How to verify that? Go to data, dbfs, file stores. Can you see here? Employees test dot JSON. Am I right, everyone? Yeah. This is the file created here. Okay. But here can you see the part files, part 1 and part 2 files. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, one more thing. Now, let us see it here. You want to see this file. So here directly, instead of going to the data option, you can also see dbutils dot fs dot ls. Okay. ls, use it here. Okay. Tables, that's it, guys. Now run this. See what happens. There is a file. Can you see it, all of you? There is a file called, what is it? You have it? Employees. This is the file. Where is the file gone? Can you see here, guys? Clear, everyone? Yes, guys?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, that's it. And now, so all of you clear with this? So now let us do one thing now.
But why is the size 0, sir, for the test file?
The size, okay, the first file, you have it, this one. Okay, multiple file 0, modified here. So the file size is a 0. You wanna see this? Why it's giving 0? $397 size modification. Test.file path, this is the same. Just a minute. Let us go here to the dbfs. dbfs file store tables, and the file, you have it here. I don't think this is a 0. Path only. dbfs file. Is what is why is this giving a 0? Any idea, guys, why it's giving a 0 here?
I think it has not written anything to that JSON.
So you want to verify that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how to verify?
And
Tell me
if
now.
you see that the employee is multi and employee is multi, it has .txt extension.
Uh, okay. Dot txt. Yeah. Dot txt it is, and now this is a JSON. So hence, I think it has no. It is not a thing. So okay. Anyways, tell me now how to see a file. Yes, guys. Tell me now how to read. How to
Spark.read we can.
yes use what's that? Spark dot again we have to read it now. So just how to print it? Any idea?
After you do this, we can just say show.
Df dot show. So you want to first of all we have to create it. Spark dot read dot format. Format is what? JSON. So df dot show. So is this a syntax correct, guys, or you have any changes in this? Tell me now, please. I want an answer from you guys.
Yeah, that's the option. I mean, the load we have to say from which path are we going to read?
So what is the other thing? Spark dot read dot format JSON. Then we have to use what? Dot. Yes, Joyce.
That load.
Load. Okay, now in this load, what is it you need to do? Mention the file
Spark.
path.
That file path we can copy and put dbfs. No, this employee is just JSON that we can.
Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll just write it here. Copy this. And now?
That slash at the end, it should not come, right?
Yes. Okay, now? Fine.
This should be df equal to spark.
Yes, df is equal to spark. Okay, or let us give df1. Okay. And here also use a df1. Okay. Show. Now this is okay, fine.
df1 equal to spark dot.
Guys, everyone is clear with this?
Equal to is not there, sir. The first line.
df is equal to, sorry, yeah. So let's run this. You got the data now anyways. You have a data. Definitely you will have the data, but I think basically this JSON file, actually this is a very lightweighted file you have it. Hence might be the reason why it's giving us a 0. It does not means that 0 means no data. If you have no data, then obviously you will not get the data here printed. Am I right, everyone? Okay. Sorry. Okay. So that's the thing, guys. Now, so we have done anyway. So anyways, what about this one? User defined schema and all those things. We have already seen this, how to make out. The code is above. You can try out if you want. Okay, guys. So the next one is this is a user defined schemas. If you want struct type, all the same thing, you can use it, and then you can print it as it is. Okay, that's it. So next after this, now guys, we'll start up with the reading of data from an ORC. Okay, guys. So ORC. Let us try to begin with the ORC now. Everyone, am I audible, guys? First of all, ORC. ORC is a column. Guys, what's it? Is a column nar. What is it? Columnar. It's a columnar storage file. What is it? Columnar columnar. Can you see here? ORC is a columnar storage file format. Storage file format. ORC is nothing but what? ORC is a columnar store file format. And now the second point, the ORC stands for, guys. Okay, what's that? Columnar storage format. And ORC file format is recommended for processing the data using, what's it, processing that using hive format. Okay, using the hive is a data tool processing. What's it? It's a data tool processing. Hive is a data processing tool. Okay, tool. Whereas ORC stands for what? ORC stands for ORC stands for everyone. Guys, ORC stands for, yes, what's the ORC stands for what? Guys, optimized ORC stands for what? Optimized row optimized row columnar. Optimized row columnar, guys. Okay, and these files are basically non-human readable. You cannot the human cannot read it, guys. Okay, it's not a human readable files, guys, everyone. Okay, but this is used to carry the data from the source to the target. These are called as ORC, is referred as the lightest weight file, very lightweight file. Comparatively, even with JSON, these are very lightweighted file, but this is used to carry the data basically. Okay, this is used to carry the data. So guys, everyone, okay, can you see here? This is the data, we have it. So sorry, this is the points, we have it. So now guys, I'm using it. That's it. So now come back here, everyone. I'm taking a new this thing, all of you, notebook. Tell me now. Read, write, ORC. Read and write ORC. Everyone, guys, read and write ORC. It's on the same cluster. I'm using it. Guys, everyone. So what I'm doing is df underscore, guys, underscore emp underscore csv. So what we will do is we will have csv files, or else we have the JSON files that we can convert it into ORC and carry the data. Okay, so for that I'm using, guys, is equal to spark dot read dot csv. So spark dot read dot csv. Okay, let us do one thing now. Let us upload one file here. Go to the data dbfs. Everyone is following now, please, what I'm doing here? Yes, guys.
Yes.
So I'm using it upload and using file upload. use a data file. I'm using this implies 20. Done now. That's it. Go back. So let's do one thing now, guys. Everyone, CSV. After the CSV, you have to give the physical path of the file. So where is the file? You have it. Can you tell me? In the DBFS, guys. Everyone, in the DBFS, in the file stores. Okay, DBFS tables. Where have you uploaded the file? File store, tables. Now under this only you have a file now. So I have a file. Copy the physical path. Copy the path. So I'm using this copied path. Sorry. Paste it here as it is. No problem. Okay. Now, guys, what is it you have to tell me now? Further, what is the option you have to use it? Header is equal to true. Header is equal to true. Then use what's it? Infer schema. Infer schema is equal to true. Okay. Infer schema is equal to true, comma, SCP. What is it? Get separator. Separator is equal to, what's the separator? You will have it. CSV means comma. Huh? Guys, everyone. Huh?
But the path has this JSON file reference also. Should be
Under that only we have it. No problem. It does not
under
make
the
sense.
JSON. Is that a folder?
No, I think so. We have to do one thing now. Okay, what is the problem? We'll go to DBFS, file store. And now, guys, what I will do here is just go back.
It looks to be a folder only. It shows as folder only.
Yeah, it's look like it's a folder only. That's the reason why I think it is uploaded. Okay, no problem, no issues. What happens? Okay, guys. So now let it be as it is. DF underscore
But now if
EMP.
we try to read that JSON file, I think it will give us error because there is one more. I mean, there is a different file.
Let us see what happens. Dot show. If error comes, we'll debug it. What's the problem? Okay, show. And now use what's a DF underscore EMP. Guys, underscore CSV dot count. Now run this. See what happens. Does it throws an error? Fine, guys. See, got it now, everyone. EMPNO, e-name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission, department number. Getting my point?
Yes.
We have these many 5 rows are there. This data, this data frame consisting of the data read from the CSV file. Okay, read from the CSV file. Can we convert it to from data? From the data frame, can we write it to the ORC format? Tell me, guys.
Yes.
Yes, so we can write it. Okay. So how it writing the data from, tell me now. Writing the data from the data frame to ORC file format. You can say DF underscore EMP underscore CSV dot write. Can anybody tell me the syntax? Write dot
format.
now
Sorry, dot mode. No, mode is not required. This is we are going to explain. Dot format.
Dot format orc
dot save. The path we just have to mention.
Now orc dot, tell me now. Orc dot, you need to leave save or what? Load, guys. Okay, anyways, dot. Now what I will do is so guys, according to this, according to the what is that you have it, can you see here? According to this department number is single now. I'll do one thing now, that's better, guys. I will load some other file also which has some good amount of data, so that I can show you some other option here. Just a minute, just give me a second. I'm just uploading it, everyone. Employees info. Okay, info one, that is done now. Copy the physical path. Fine now. Okay, guys, fine, everyone. Now I'll run this. Now, guys, what is that I wanted to do here is, everyone, fine, did you get the data, guys?
Yes.
Now tell me how many departments I have it. Three department. I want to partition it by department number. So partition, sorry, partition. Okay, so format. Okay, what is that we have it? ORC, everyone. Dot, sorry, dot partition, PARTITIO, then by B capital, partition by, guys, partition by department number, DEPT ID, department ID it is, not the department number, it is department ID. Am I right, everyone? Now use, what is it? Dot save. Now under the physical path, you just have it, and now you remove this one, guys, everyone. ORC, I'm writing it, everyone. ORC data. If you want, you can also create a directory. dbutils dot fs dot mkdirs ASC data folder. So just do one thing now, put it under the quotes. File, everyone. That's it. Now run this now.
So it is all caps. Can it
True.
be or say data here in line number 2?
Check. Line number 2, what is that?
No,
go here to the data, and now to the DBFS. Yes, please. So use this. Can you see here? ORC data is here. Open this. Nothing.
No, we created in that one.
Capital, no? So can you see here? No problem. We have department 10, department 20, department 30. Now, if at all you wanted to create in that, do one thing now. Everyone, just have a look here. Everyone, just change the data. Capital, okay? DATA. Now run this once more. Guys, what is the problem? Can somebody tell me?
What happened?
Already exist.
You have to give a slash at the end in line number 2. No,
Yeah,
I think so.
no. Okay, let us see what happens. No, the name is conflicting. The name is conflicting. I'll do one thing.
No, it is.
ORC data folder. Fine. Okay.
No, it says that it should not already exist.
Already exists, it says now.
So we should not give a folder which is already existing. Or we have to give the ORC file name here.
Is it? So just a minute. No problem. I'll use the folder. Now I'll run this. Or else I'll use it here. ORC table. Directly it will create. Now what's the problem? No problem. Okay. So go here. Sorry. Instead of compute, go to the data. DBFS. DBFS, everyone. File store. Guys. Table is there now. Open this. Partitioned by this one. Okay, guys, everyone.
Okay.
This is how it works. Okay. So that's it. So why okay, so everyone is clear. So writing the data to the data frame to that is writing the data from data frame to ORC file format. Okay, so guys, this ORC data, why it is not creating this directory here is consider already it is available in a table now. Why it is not creating? Okay, even though we are giving a separate directory here, the directory is created, but within a directory is not creating it. Okay, so and let us see here why it's not creating. Tell me, guys. File store.
I think if you give a file name under that directory, it will create that file as a folder once again. See
table. So what you are telling?
So
tell me.
Yeah, this is whatever we have given ORC data is the file name.
ORC data is the file name. Yes, ORC data. Okay.
Is the file name.
Okay.
So it is creating that file name because it is already present. It says that it is already there.
So how to create a folder like this here? Yes.
You can give any folder name.
Sample
slash. This is the folder name. We think that this is the folder name, but it uses this as the file name and it creates it. So now you can say ORC file. My ORC file.
99. Okay.
Okay. So ORC 99. If we say .orc, I think it will work. You don't have to create any directory. Okay. Now let us see here. Should we say .orc? Just a minute. Oh, yeah.
ORC. Fine. Okay. Now let us try to create it. Go here now to the data. Guys, everyone go to the data now. DBFS. File store tables. What is the sample now? Under the sample, you have ORC. Even if you use the ORC, I think that will also work.
That's what. Whatever we give, it takes us the file name. The final last.
Because already you have given here ORC now. From the writing format, you have your ORC. So
no, for us, but it shows only as folder, right? That was why.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, even
okay.
If you say .orc, it takes it as.
Yes.
It takes it as folder only.
Yes.
Within that only it creates the part files.
Yes. Can you see it? Suppose I want only 30. Department number 30 is required. Or sorry, 30 is required here. Okay. Can we see it? All of you. I want
filter.
So use it. What's that? Reading data from guys ORC file format. See here, all of you. df is equal to, or df10 is equal to spark dot read dot format orc dot load
now from that
okay.
ORC path only we have.
Okay, so use it the same path. So can you see it? Or else what I can do is sample. Okay, so ORC slash tell me now what is it? Department is equal to 30. Fine now. Guys, fine now.
Yes.
Now run this. What does it says? This already existing now.
No, does not exist.
Does not exist. Why does not exist?
Can we remove that .orc?
Oh yeah, .orc is not required in this. Okay. Fine. Oh. So okay, what I will do is you use ORC now. Directly I'll use ORC if such is the case.
No, can we please go back and see what is there in sample folder? And we can even copy the department number 30.
Sample ORC 99. So I can just
department ID.
copy this. Okay.
It is department ID, not department number.
Yeah, department number. Yes, exactly. So department.
You can revert back to that. Even ORC.99.orc will work.
ORC
99.orc.
Okay, now let's try to run this, guys. Fine now.
So this dot show you can say at the end.
So let us use this df 10 dot show. Fine, everyone. Got it now?
Yes.
Okay, guys, that's it about this thing. So about the rest of the things in this, we will see tomorrow. Okay, guys, we'll continue this ORC tomorrow.
Okay.
Fine, guys, I'm ending the class here. Export the file. This is automatically it creates in the download.
Can you share it with us?
I will have to send it to Durga, so they will send you if such is the case,
No,
or else I'll try to.
Here in
I try
chat.
to. Here, it's possible.
No, in chat. No.
I think it's not possible to share it.
No, can you just paste the
Code.
the code here.
Just a minute. In the huge data.